Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing both skin and mindset. Wash the area with warm water and pat dry because moisture can irritate. Apply Dr. Vaidya Piles Care externally where advised, following labeled dosage that ensures consistent delivery. Once done, change to loose cotton underwear to reduce friction and heat. Make sure to avoid heavy lifting or straining. You're starting active care now, not waiting for symptoms to worsen. So these first steps reduce pain and allow topical ingredients to work efficiently. You continue by establishing a consistent routine. Apply the ointment 2 to 3 times daily, especially after bowel movements, using clean hands so you avoid infection. Meanwhile, address the cause, take stool softeners, and increase fiber to roughly 20 to 30 grams per day while drinking 2 to 3 liters of water, because softer stools reduce strain. Once that's stable, introduce short walks and pelvic relaxation exercises. This promotes circulation and healing, making topical treatment more effective over days. You wrap up by completing the full course and watching for progress over 1 to 2 weeks, because premature stopping can let symptoms return. If bleeding increases, pain worsens, or you develop fever, seek medical evaluation immediately. Those are signs you may need more than topical care. If symptoms stall, make sure you aren't overusing steroids or missing a contraindication, and keep hygiene strict. One troubleshooting tip: if irritation appears, stop product and consult a clinician rather than doubling frequency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.